Hello, my name is Dan, and this is a quick unboxing of the baby monitor mount from the HelloBaby brand. I recently bought one of the HelloBaby cameras to keep an eye on my little one in her bedroom. And independently, as well as the camera set, my wife decided we needed this mount, so we got the mount. Let's look what's inside the box. Okay, and that is it. Nice and simple. We've got two little connectors and the actual mount itself. So the connectors are to go with the different cameras that the HelloBaby brand offers. Any one of their cameras is compatible with this mount. And what the mount does is it means that you do not need to put screw holes or screws or wall plugs into your walls. Maybe you're renting a property, maybe you just don't want to put make the marks in the walls, whatever. So instead you use this, which is you will take the connector. Let's grab this one, for instance. You'll screw it onto this end. There we go. And then this bit here will wrap around. Maybe it's the part of the crib that your little one is in, maybe it's around a curtain pole or something else like that, but it literally just wraps around, like imagine like a snake coiling itself around a tree, and it stays in place and you don't need to make marks on your walls. So this is actually, because of that, quite stiff, quite tight. I think anybody's going to be able to do it, but the point is it's not it's not loose like a piece of string. So it is extremely tough actually, which surprises me. It's more so than I expected, but still really lightweight. It's not heavy. You've got this nice smooth white kind of plastic, I guess, on the top. I don't know what's inside it, but presumably something's inside it just to give it a bit of rigidity. And this little connector here, just if I take the camera, you see on the bottom we've got this little gap, so that just slots in there and twist it, and there you go. So that's it, it's on. I am holding that vertically now. It's on, literally on its side, giving it a little shake. Nothing, it's not falling out. There's a nice sturdy connection there. So yeah, looking forward to giving this mount a go.